How to set up face unlock on Samsung Galaxy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up face unlock on your Samsung Galaxy. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings and then scroll down and go to security and privacy. So here, go ahead and tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. It will open up after you draw your current pattern, and then you'll find face recognition under Biometrics. So tap on it, and now you'll need to hit Continue. And you can see the face registration help here. You can see that you'll need to look directly at the camera and then tilt your head up. You'll need to give a full scan of your face and look directly at the camera. So you just have to hit register. And then you'll need to position your face in the frame and it will start recognizing your face. And then your face unlock will be set up. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.